Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. I appreciate y'all tuning in today. Whatever time you're tuning in, thank you so much. Appreciate all the subscribers I have, and I also appreciate the support that y'all have given me. But if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and if you like knives, Zippos, everyday carry stuff, and camping gear, this is the channel for you. But these three knives, I'm calling them Case Cleanup Friday. These three knives, my brother Robbie gave these to me. He drives a truck just like my dad did, and he buys knives when he comes across them just like my dad did. But these three knives were given to me. He's got a heart of gold, and I love him to death. But I'm going to clean them up today. This here, never seen one of these before. It's a 2005 Stockman. But it's got a blue handle on one side, or a scale of a handle on one side, and it's got a green on the other. It's a co-op with Case. And it's bone. According to this model number here, the 6 on that model number stands for second hand or second cut stag. The 3 again is for 3 blades in the knife, and the 16 is the pattern, the factory pattern of the knife. But ain't that cool? Never seen one of these. I'm just gonna clean them up real quick. This next knife is a 1979. See the one dot? There's only one dot right there. I looked at it with my magnifying glass. It's one dot. That means it's a 1979. And this is also bone. See that? 63,471. Beautiful knife. Bone. Hear that snap? This knife has been put up somewhere and never been used. It ain't gonna take that much to clean it up. But ain't that a beautiful bone right there? Beautiful. Golly, man. Can't wait to get this thing cleaned. But it ain't gonna take much. Ain't it pretty though? Beautiful knife. Now this one here, I'm telling you, this is a razor blade knife. 1971. Bone handles. Ain't it beautiful? This knife is gonna clean up so good. Still got good snap. This blade really has good snap. This blade, hear that I can tell that spring was strong when I opened it up. But it's a great knife. Great knife. It ain't gonna take much to clean this one up. So let's get started on these, and I'll show you what they look like when I get them cleaned up. I'll hit these little brass pins with 400 grit sandpaper. Just shine them up. See, there's a goot right here. They're getting there, y'all. Got something up in there. See all that? Scrape it off and hit it with a these springs are strong on this knife. I'm gonna get the wire brush and hit it some. Never dull. Good stuff. Here, taking shape, y'all. Taking shape. Okay, here they are, guys. Look at that bone. Beautiful, ain't it? The bolster's cleaned up really good. And this one's 1979. Beautiful knife. Super strong springs. I mean, listen to that. Ooh, man. This is a sheepfoot blade. Looks like a sheepfoot, right? Sheepfoot blade. This is a clip blade. Beautiful. Check the inside out. $19.79. Again, my brother, he gave me these knives. He comes across them from time to time. He likes knives like I do. Beautiful knife, ain't it? Ooh, boy, I'd hate to have my finger under that main blade. Ain't that pretty? Man. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Alright, here's a 2005. That again is bone. It's got a green handle and a blue handle scale. Co-op, but you can see that's a 2005. See the 5 little X's there? And how the case is spelled? 2005. Beautiful knife. Couldn't get the blade as shiny as I wanted them to, but still, beautiful knife. Pretty cool, ain't it? Beautiful. Alright. Here's a 1971 Razor Barlow. She is beautiful. Red bone. And she is sharp now. See, got 9 dots. Look how the case is spelled. C-A-S-E, regular S, double X, USA, 9 dots. That means it's 1971. 1970, it started out with 10 dots, and each year they take a dot away. A little bit of oil, ain't no big deal. Beautiful knife. The bolster's cleaned up good. The brass on the bone. Great snap. She's clean on the inside too. I was going. If you can't tell, but she is clean on the inside. A little bit of oil right there. There we go. Look at that bone. Man. Beautiful. It cleaned up good. It's got good snap too. Pretty knives. Well, guys, that's the case cleanup for today. And I had 3 beautiful specimens to clean up. I love cleaning knives. These are going to go right in my collection. Beautiful. Well, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. I had fun with this. Appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the subscribers I've already gotten. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like knives, if you like Zippos, if you like camping gear and everyday carry stuff, this is the channel for you. So, y'all have a blessed day. Thanks again. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. Stay sharp mentally, physically, and spiritually. Y'all have a great day.